Next, I want to show you how I made these smaller leaves here using the satin stitch. So you're going to want 6 strands of floss again with a knot tied in the end. And all I did for these is start at the top in the middle of the leaf, come down to the bottom in the middle, and then on each side I just did a few stitches, getting smaller as they went. That way it makes it look like the edge is curved. And then again, do the same on the other side and keep it kind of symmetrical, depending on what shape you're looking for your leaf. And there you go. And it's not perfect, but the beauty of it is that they don't have to be. You can kind of tell those ones aren't either, but they still look fine.